Good morning. Well, it's almost afternoon, but hey, you guys, welcome back to the channel. Um, so yeah, you guys, I'm about to make brunch for the girls. Well, Maya wants cereal, so she's gonna have cereal. Carly wants the Christmas pancakes, so I'm gonna go ahead and make the Christmas pancakes, you guys, and yeah, Jamila, her mom came and got her this morning. She had a hair appointment, so she'll be back later. So she won't be here to participate. But they don't want to help me make the pancakes. So I'm just going to go ahead and make them and let them, they're up there playing. So I'm going to leave them alone while they're playing. And I'm going to go ahead and make the breakfast. And, oh, you guys, I just have to tell you, I had this robe for over 15 years. My daughter bought me this robe when she got her first job. So yeah, I just had to say that, just in case she's watching. It's very sentimental to me. Yeah, I just had to say that. What else? Something else I had to tell y'all. Y'all, them girls stayed up to 3 o'clock in the morning, okay? 3 o'clock. And it might have been after that because I fell asleep somewhere along the lines and somewhere along in there. So yeah, and then Jamila's mom came about 9 something, and I heard somebody banging on my door. I'm like, and my phone is always on silent, so she called several times and I didn't hear it. So yeah, but yeah, so let's get started on this breakfast, you guys. On this brunch. Let's get started on this brunch. Eggs. I got some Kaneka sausage, y'all. Actually, my mom lives in Kaneka County, so they have the factory there where she lives at. I just want to thank Chandrell for giving me this idea. I'm pretty sure my granddaughters are going to love this. But it's just Carly that's just going to get pancakes. And I think she said she wanted blue pancakes. But I'm not going to give her blue pancakes. I'm going to give her red and green because we're doing a Christmas themed breakfast. Okay? The snow is falling, or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the Sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh. So yeah, guys, so I fixed their breakfast, so they ain't here eating in my office, so don't pay my office any attention. They say good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Aw, they're so sweet. So they eating their breakfast. That's their Christmas themed breakfast.